The Storm Team Weather Lab, KMAC meteorologist Kellyanne Klass.
Well, our main focus today is going to be on the potential for severe weather as a stalled front is currently drapes over some of our northwestern counties. And you can clearly see where that front is on our wind profile. So taking a look at current winds right now, for the most part, out of the southwest. But as we go up to the north, that's where we see a little bit of those northerly winds indicated by that cold front. So that front is now directly stalled over our northwestern counties. It will continue to slowly inch to the south and east by later on today, helping to fuel some of those showers and thunderstorms by later on this afternoon. Now this morning and this early afternoon, not really dealing with any rainfall just yet. A few areas, some clouds, but once that front really begins to get going, that's when we start to see that rapid intensification of those showers and thunderstorms. Muleshoe Live Sky View showing a mix of sun and clouds, and they're feeling a little bit cooler thanks to that front. Now that area not going to be expecting any showers or thunderstorms since that front has already passed through, but that energy in the atmosphere by later on today is really going to intensify, and as that front provides that lift, that's when those showers really begin to rapidly develop. This is around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, early evening hours. Already seeing scattered showers and thunderstorms. The bulk of the activity will come after about 2 o'clock this afternoon, really become more intense and even a little bit more severe as it hits the areas into the rolling plains as they're working with a little bit more energy in the atmosphere. We continue those showers and thunderstorms more scattered in nature by the late evening hours around 9 o'clock. Most of it will push out of the way by around 10, 11 o'clock. We start off tomorrow dry, then we're tracking a few more rain chances, this time to some of our western counties and central counties, very isolated in nature and not tracking a severe weather threat tomorrow. So that's late tomorrow evening, and then it'll clear out before the midnight hours by early Sunday morning. So not a severe weather threat on Saturday, but a severe weather threat today. Right now we are in an enhanced risk for severe weather into the rolling plains. That's a level 3 out of 5. Lubbock is in a slight risk for severe weather. The difference between that enhanced risk and slight risk basically says we're going to see scattered severe thunderstorms in that orange shading. The yellow means we could see maybe 1, 2, or even 3 severe storms possible. Now, in terms of threats, what is included with that? Well, hail certainly going to be the main factor. Same thing with damaging winds up to about 70 miles per hour. Tornadoes, unlikely, because what is going to happen is those cloud bases of the thunderstorms are going to be high up in the atmosphere. You can't get tornadoes from high base thunderstorms. You have to have low cloud layers. And because we're not going to see that, that means we're not going to have a lot of dynamics to produce those tornadoes, with the exception of our extreme eastern counties, including Cottle and King County, just on that fine line between an isolated tornado. So the rest of the area does not have to worry about that. Could see maybe a spin up well out to our east. Otherwise, you do not need to worry about that for today. Do not need to worry about any severe weather for tomorrow, as we are just in a general thunderstorm category. Here's a look at those temperatures. You can clearly see where that stalled front is. 68 degrees in Tulia, but 64 degrees in Friona, 80 degrees here in Lubbock, and 80 degrees in Snyder. So again, that advancement of that front will eventually provide those showers and thunderstorms to give us a range in high temperatures today, anywhere from the lower 80s up to our northwest into the lower 90s for the rest of the area. Showers and thunderstorms will begin after 2 o'clock this afternoon. They'll be out of here before the overnight hours, so we don't have to worry about a severe weather threat. A few isolated showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, but a lot cooler. Temperatures will be into the mid 80s both Saturday and Sunday. Lower 80s by Monday, back into the upper 80s and lower 90s by Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Looks like I'm gonna enjoy Sunday and Monday's forecast, because I don't know about the 90s. I'm ready to just kind of stay in the 80s for a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, the 80s is the perfect temperature, I think, minus, the 70s, but I think the 80s for mid-May, absolutely perfect.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kellyanne.